Okay, hi everybody. Welcome to Level Rewards. I'm sure you've came across the site somehow and don't really know what it's about. So it's an offer referral site. You're going to get paid based on your referrals completed offers. And in order to do that, you're going to complete some offers. So you go to sign up and you're going to put your name, email, password, click sign up. After that, it'll take you to our registration page, and it's just phone number, address, complete registration. So then you sign in. This is what I'm making. I've had this for about 4 weeks. I'm on level 25, which means I'm going to earn $125 per referral. It's so easy. So let me tell you a little bit about how to do this for free. So you are going to sign up. If you don't have a link, you're going to sign up under yourself. Just go to levelrewards.com. In your sponsor email, I want you just to put mom5year@gmail.com. That's me. So mom5year@gmail.com. Very easy. So then I will be your sponsor. You can always email me for anything, how to get some referrals, how to get this going. So you're going to want to look for the free offers first. Hulu, you're going to click it. You're going to click complete deal. But because I've already done this, I can't. So I'm going to go to hulu.com just to show you. Normally, you would just hit complete deal, and it would take you to the site. When you're at the site, you're going to go to log in. Sometimes on a cell phone, it's going to have 3 lines right here. But you're going to hit log in, and then you're going to go to start free trial. And you're going to complete that. When it comes up, it's going to come up $0, 0 cents. So again, normally speaking, complete deal, and it'll bring you to the website. For example, I'll show you on this one. You go to complete deal, it'll bring you right to the website. And then you would just sign up for this loan, which I didn't do, but you just sign up for the loan. And then when you're done, that's it. So another free offer is all of the calls. This will level you up 1 level. Each credit is 1 level. So once you get the first credit, you're up to 1 level. You can start referring people. Each time you go up a credit, it's going to open a $5 window for you to get more money from your referrals. So always make sure you stay ahead of them. Always make sure you cancel your free trials. So for example, I can read, it cost me $1 to do. And I legit have been paid for this offer and every other offer on here more than once. And to just show you what's going on, this, I haven't been paid today yet, but I did put a cash out. Yesterday I made 75. The day before I made 40. So it just goes to show you that this is real. It does pay. I don't have that many active members for even making that amount. It's not a lot. So these are the offers I did to get to level 25. And they were easy. Most of them were free. LifeLock rewards cost money, and World Winner cost money. So you can make decent amount of money on here every day, and you'll get paid in your sleep. And it's very easy to do. So again, this is something, the first day you sign up, every referral makes it to level 5 on day 1, you're getting a bonus level. So if you did LifeLock for $9, look at how much money I've made. $1,050 in 4 weeks. You pay the $9 offer, get 5 levels, so they're going to bump you up to 6. You're now getting $25 per referral. You can get $35. You do this one and this one, Hulu and LifeLock. So it is kind of amazing.